Guys, today we're gonna be replacing this light with this one here. It's a floodlight and a camera combo just for security, and yeah, it should be pretty simple job to do, so let's get to it. We need a ladder. Let's put that here for now. First thing we're gonna do is just make sure the power is off. That's the outside light, so that's, I believe, is on. This one's broken, so the light is on, but the motion sensor no longer works. That's why we're replacing it. So we're just gonna make sure that that is turned off. And I'm gonna go ahead and take this thing out. Easy enough. Gasket. See how this will push these guys in the whole way. Just want to dry fit this first. These screws are sticking out a little bit much. And there's not a lot of space here, so I don't know how that's gonna be. I need to cut them a little bit. Push this wire. Two hands would be better. Okay. Good. Black to black, white to white. A little wrapperoo like that. Careful not to drop the light. Good twist. That's one. It's a little bit too long, actually. Shoot, wrong one. Need the other Moret. There, that's nice and tight. Now, actually, life easier. Okay. In there. Alright, let's give that a whirl, guys.
Ready to connect. Setup completed.
There it is. Well, guys, there you go. That was a pretty simple DIY project. Thanks for watching.